Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. I will show you how you can create amazing artistic effects in your smartphone. First of all, go to Play Store and then search for this PhotoLab app. After this, you have to download it. I have already downloaded it, so I will open it up. So open. After opening up, one thing you need internet connection is must for this app, otherwise this app will not work. So here are a lot of effects, we will use this trending section, and here you can see that trending, here is that trending effect. So I will click on this, and after this you have to create select any of your picture. I will select this and then go to click on this. After closing this ad, it will start processing. You have to wait a little. Ads will also be shown. So after processing done, you can see here is your picture. You can also edit it like by clicking on this icon, and it's already good edit already, so I don't need further. So we have to save this. So click on these three dot icons and save to device, and got it, and then again click on this and click on save to device. After closing this ad, you can see about image save. So this is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like and video and subscribe to our channel.